Welcome everybody to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram business account. It's going to be really easy process. So there's two ways that you can do this, whether you want to use your phone or you want to go directly inside the business.instagram.com. Here what you wanted to do is to make sure that you wanted to get started here into get started, and this one should be sending us directly into the business.facebook.com. Here, what you wanted to do is to make sure that you are logged into your actual Instagram account where you wanted to send this, or let's say evolve it into an actual business account. So in my case, I'm going to sign it into my actual account, and as you can see, we are inside now of the actual Meta Business Suite. As you see in here, we can save time by going directly into the Meta Business Suite, since all of the elements are going to be coming directly into the Meta Business Suite. You want to make sure that we have granted the access from all the elements directly into the Meta Business Suite. Now that I have changed my actual language, what we wanted to do directly is go into your actual settings. Inside settings, what you wanted to do is to switch to your business account. In settings, find the clicked in account. So in my case, what I wanted to do is to go for business account information. Here, I'm going to go here into edit. I can now continue. In this case, since this account has now been added as an actual business account, I no longer have this element where we can actually change it from a regular account into a business account. So that's the reason why we already have a business account inside Instagram. Another solution that I can give you is to go directly into Instagram.com. Inside here, what you want to do is to locate your actual website, go for profile, more, and go for settings. I'm going to close this, and now here what you want to do is to go and scroll all the way down. Inside business tools and controls, we have the switch to creator account or switch to personal account. Since we actually chose the business account, we are not able to do that once again. So what I'm going to do here is to switch to a creator account. So I can see this new section that says switch to business account. So I choose this option, I go for switched, and automatically we now have access to all of these elements. So as you see here, to make it easier to control your account into settings into Meta Technologies, they can manage everything directly into the account center. So we are now able here inside to see in account center. If I clicked in here, this might be taking me directly into account center where I can see all the information about my profile, the connecting experience, all my accounts, my personal details, my password and security, my information and permissions, and so much more. If I wanted to add a new account, let's click in here and you can add even a Facebook or an Instagram account. What I can totally suggest to you lastly is that if you wanted to manage everything about your Instagram account, go directly into the business.facebook.com, since all the elements has now been migrated, and send it directly in here. What you can do is to plan a lot of stuff. Do some inbox, check out your insight, create ads, connect, create reels, create story, everything that you wanted to create directly here into Instagram. You can do so much more than that directly into Meta Business Suite, but that is totally up to you. So guys, there you have it. We now have a business account directly from Instagram. So if you wanted to see more information about these great tools, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was very useful for you, and well guys, see you on an actual brand new video inside TechExpress.